everyone, it's Julia. I wanted to jump on and wish everyone a happy new year. I have been reflecting a little bit on the year 2017 and my YouTube experience, and I wanted to share that with you and also share with you some of my new ideas for 2018. First of all, the recap on 2017. It's interesting because on YouTube you can go into your analytics and see the demographics of your audience. And although I didn't have many surprises, I thought I'd share them with you. 91% of my viewers are women. No surprise there. So 9% male. And also the age group is not surprising either, I guess. But I have it written down. I'm going to share it with you. 21% are from the age of 45 and 54. 32% from the ages 55 and 64. And 27% of us are 65 and over. I find that just kind of warms my heart, because I think as women we go through different phases in our work life where we put things on the back burner, but then we bring them back. And I have so many people comment about that, like, I'm recently retired and now I'm finally sewing, or I'm finally trying this, we're all in it together, right? And that is another thing I wanted to talk to you about, is the community that's being formed on my YouTube channel. I love the comments. Please continue to comment. Not only does that help grow my YouTube channel, because they take that into account, YouTube, somehow. I don't understand it all, but commenting really does help. But it's so interesting to me because everybody is sharing what they're working on, what workshops they're taking, and people are giving me ideas, and I'm learning so much. Like, see, people would say, you should try this. I find this is really working well. And oh my gosh, I absolutely love the community being formed here. And hey, we're all sewers and we're passionate about the same thing. So I just want to thank you all. It's just been an awesome year for me on YouTube. So many new subscribers. I'm just blown away. So thank you all so much. And now I wanted to just tell you a little bit about some of my ideas for 2018. And please, continue to leave comments, or if there's something that you want me to do or try, or whatever, I would, and also comment on what you're thinking about on some of my ideas that I've kind of come up with. The first thing I want to do sometime in January is do a craft room, sewing room tour, but more than that, I just got this magazine, and it said, right on the cover, it says, more calm, less clutter. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, that is so what I need. And I'm going to go through areas of my sewing room and purge. And when I say purge, I don't mean throwing away. I am going to be either destashing somehow, maybe selling things at the flea market, or taking things to the thrift store. But in several different areas of my craft room, I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to list my areas that I'm going to be working on, and I'm hoping that you all just join me and you purge too, or straighten, or whatever. So that is one of the things I'm going to be doing, and wanting to do that in January, because I really need to start my new year off with the decluttered area. Other things I want to continue on is my art play on fabric, my Stitch With Me series, and Stitch With Me is going to be just that. It's going to be sewing projects. The next one is Create With Me, and those are going to be more craft projects. I love paper crafting too, and once in a while I'll throw in something that doesn't necessarily take a sewing machine, but it's just something that's creative. I will continue to do on and off Etsy updates and restock. I'm not going to do a lot of those, but once in a while I just need to update everybody on what I'm selling and new things I'm adding. And one of the new series that I've been thinking about and I want to try is, I'm going to call it Upcycle Treasures. It's going to be a two-part where I'm going to actually go to the thrift store, find a couple, 3 items, and I'll show you that in a haul. And then in a couple days, I'm going to show you what I have upcycled those things into. I really want to push myself to come up with some new ideas, and I think that sounds like a lot of fun. And I want to be able to recycle, upcycle, repurpose, alter as much as I can in 2018. So that is going to be one of my new series. Another thing that I want to start doing is I am going to start, and that is a blog. One of the main reasons why I want to start a blog is so that I can provide you with patterns or designs where you can just go and you can just download them. There's a few projects that I really wanted to do, but I felt like I needed you to be able to have a pattern in order to follow or whatever. And so that is one of my new things that I'm going to work on, is the blog. Other than that, I think that's all I wanted to cover. I hope you guys have an awesome week and have a day filled with your family and friends. And again, Happy New Year. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.